Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to see Pinterest history. For example, I have opened Pinterest on my PC here. For example, if I see some of the photos, maybe some of the videos or anything else, like there's a animation here. So there are so many things that I have watched and then I have closed, and then tomorrow I realized that I want to see that video once again. But where to find them? Of course you can find them in your Pinterest history. So where is the history of your Pinterest? For example, I will click on the drop down menu here and click on the settings. In the settings you will see tune your home feed. Here I will see all of the posts that I have already seen or I have seen in the past, whether it's 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, there are photos or videos. Everything that I have watched on Pinterest will be saved into my history. And that's basically how to see Pinterest history. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.